styrofoam in here just to kind of add a little extra packing security, but we'll need them. Ouch, that hurt. That's why I need to stop being cute. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking off my super cute Charger vinyl decal that is on my tail light, and I'm going to be replacing it with a new one. You're going to have to stay tuned to find out exactly what this one is, but I think y'all going to like this one even better than the one that I currently have. So I'm super excited. If you like this one, make sure you check out our description, because you know we're going to post a link to that particular product. And before we start, let me go ahead and say, of course, thank you guys so much for all of your support. We definitely appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. Let's go ahead and put this joint on. All right, y'all, so just like always, I'm gonna start by showing you what comes inside of the package, and then I'm gonna show y'all all of the tools that I'm gonna use for today's de-install slash reinstall, and then I'll show y'all the finished products. So here's the package that the decal came in. And inside of the package, we got just a plain old piece of cardboard. That's just to make sure that the vinyl don't get bent up. And what else is in here? We have instructions. I'm gonna set those right here. And then we have our decal. So I'm gonna set that right there. So I have a heat gun here. This is gonna be used to remove the current decal. I got this here solution. This is just water and a teeny tiny bit of soap. The instructions say to have a 95% ratio of water and then 5% dish soap. I got some invisible glass so that I can clean my surface before I apply the new decal. You could use alcohol, invisible glass, whatever. You just don't want it to be any type of wax, oil, anything like that. So obviously you want to apply a decal on a freshly cleaned surface. So I'm using this invisible glass. This video is not sponsored. I also have a squeegee. This is to smooth out the decal, make sure ain't no air bubbles, you know. And that's it. That's it, y'all. So am I nervous? A little bit, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the current decal that's there. To remove the decal, I'm gonna need to use the heat gun. Now you want to be careful with the heat gun because it gets very, very hot. So you don't want to be applying heat to one spot for a long period of time. You really don't want to apply too much heat at all. Alright, so I got the decal off for the most part, but I don't know if y'all can see that. It did leave a little bit of residue. So right now I'm just going to try to scrape this residue off. So y'all, I'm kind of embarrassed right now. I got in trouble over the weekend when I went to Lynchburg. My mama told me do not do any more videos with my nails looking crazy. And I told her, okay, I won't do any more videos with my nails looking crazy. But I forgot that this decal had came. I forgot that Ali had, well, actually I don't think I even knew that Ali had ordered it for me. Shout out to Ali, because he always be ordering me stuff. And so we was like, all right, we need to get this decal on. So I wasn't really expecting to do this. I just got home from out of town on Sunday, and the nail salons is closed on Sunday. So I didn't even have time, y'all, to, like, I didn't have a chance to go and get this polish off my nails. So my bad, y'all. This, look, because I got in trouble, because my mama said it, after this video, I ain't gonna do no more videos with no jacked up nails. She also said something about my clothes too, because I was wearing pajamas in the last video. So I told her I'll make sure I have clothes on. So I got clothes on today, kind of, if you consider leggings clothes, but my nails are still jacked up. But after this video, I ain't gonna do no more with jacked up nails. All right, there we go. Looking good as new. There's the joint. So we're gonna take our bottle solution here. So the decal has to be wet, and the location where you want the decal to go needs to be wet as well. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna start by removing the backing, and then I'm gonna spray this down, and I'm gonna spray this down, and then we're gonna get it up there. So I got it off. Now I'm just spraying my mixture, getting it good and wet. And as you can see, it's dripping. It's wet. And I'm gonna spray this. Get it good and wet. And now I'm gonna position this. And because it's very wet, you can move it around and position it to where you want it to be. And I'm gonna use the squeegee to get the bubbles out. I'm gonna hit it with this heat just a little bit, y'all. So I need to make sure that this is dry before I try to peel the tape off. All right, y'all. So I think it's pretty dry. All right, y'all. So I'm peeling it off, and I also want to make sure that this joint is stuck on here as I'm peeling it off. So I'm actually peeling it off really slowly, and I'm using this towel to still press down on the decal just to make sure. All right. Got her on there, and I'm gonna still squeegee her out a little bit just to make sure no bubbles. All right, y'all, so just keep squeegeeing it as it's drying, not too hard, but hard enough to get the bubbles out. And once it dries, you know, it'll be in place, so it's not going anywhere. If you mess up, that's okay. Apply soapy water, our spray solution. Apply a whole bunch of that and peel it off. It's vinyl, so it's pretty forgiving. So if you need to reposition it or anything like that, just peel slowly and keep spraying, spray it behind it to the back side. Keep spraying until it is off, and then you can put it back up there, reposition it, get it where you want it to be. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lights on so you can see what we're working with. All right, so here is the finished product. It looks amazing. You guys, look at that. Wow. Yep, that's nice. That's beautiful.
I exist in all dimensions, flesh bound. The stale money from the mattress, bought a fresh pound. Leather on the steering wheel, it got my palm chilly. Short necklace with the long willy, calm really. And it ain't even about the fame, it's about the bread lost. The intern, shorty take me to the boss.
Alright, y'all, so that is it for today's super easy install. Definitely hope y'all enjoyed this video. Once again, if you like this decal and you want to get one of your own, She Fast or something else, check out the link in the description below, because we are going to post a link where you can purchase one. If you like this install video, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. Thank you all once again for your support, and we will see you on the next video. My charger decal. But y'all know me, I'm OCD, so I'm gonna do it twice. Just to make. Alright, girl. Bye. That was my sister, y'all. She looked like me. But she older than me. But she looked like me. Alright, your decal to be installed. Both have to be wet. Both have to be wet. I'm struggling to get this joint off, y'all. So I'm gonna start over here. No, Nope. Nope. Not ready. Not at all. Not even a little. Button and that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. My legs hurt, so I got to get up from this position. But thank you again for your support, and y'all see y'all on the next video. Thank you so much for the support, and we'll see y'all on the next video.